Leo, you look distracted today. Did something happen?
Yes, actually. Something funny happened last week.
Tell me, I love a good story.
Okay, so I called my old friend Marcus. We hadn't talked in 2 years.
2 years? That's a long time.
I know, and when he answered, I completely forgot his wife's name.
No. What did you do?
I just said, "How is everyone?" Very smooth, right?
That is both terrible and very human. I love it.
He laughed. We talked for 1 hour. It felt like no time had passed.
That's the magic of real friendship. It survives silence.
Exactly. And you know what? That phone call reminded me how important it is to reach out, even when life gets busy, even when you feel awkward about how much time has passed.
Yes, there's a phrase for that feeling. Better late than never. It means it is good to do something late rather than not do it at all.
Better late than never. I like that. And Marcus certainly felt that way. He was so happy I called.
That's because people appreciate being remembered. Even a short message means a lot.
So today felt like the right time to talk about friendship.
It does. And listeners, welcome. Today we're talking about friendship in English.
We'll explore words, phrases, and real ways to talk about friends.
Whether you have one close friend or many, this episode is for you.
Let's go.
Let's start with the basics. How do you describe a friend?
I usually say my friend, but that feels a bit simple sometimes.
It can be. We use different words for different kinds of friends.
Like what?
Well, there's an acquaintance. That's someone you know, but not closely.
Oh, like a colleague you say hello to.
Exactly. You know their name, you're polite, but you don't share secrets.
Right, and then there's a close friend.
Yes, a close friend is someone you trust deeply.
Someone you can call at midnight?
Yes, or someone whose wife's name you actually remember.
Okay, fair point.
And there's also the phrase childhood friend, someone from your early years.
Like Marcus, for me, we grew up on the same street.
That connection is special. It has history. It has roots.
Roots. I like that image, like two trees that grew together.
Friendships with history feel stable. The tree doesn't fall easily.
There's also another category I think about. Work friends, people you were friendly with at your job, but maybe don't see outside of it.
Yes, work friends are interesting. Sometimes they stay acquaintances, but sometimes a work friend becomes a real, lifelong friend.
That happened to me once. I met someone at an old job. We were just colleagues at first. Now she is one of my closest friends.
Relationships can grow and change. That's the beautiful thing. An acquaintance can become a best friend with time and shared experiences.
And the other direction too, sadly. A close friend can drift away and become just an acquaintance.
True. Friendship is alive. It moves.
Have you ever lost a friendship, Sarah?
Yes, once. A very close one.
What happened, if you don't mind sharing?
We had different life goals. We drifted apart slowly.
Drifted apart. What does drift mean exactly?
To drift means to move slowly, without planning, like a boat on calm water.
So you didn't fight, you just floated away from each other?
Perfectly put. No argument, just distance over time.
That's actually sadder than a fight.
I think so too, but I have happy memories, and I wish her well.
Has that ever happened to you, listener? Have you drifted apart from someone?
It's worth thinking about. Friendship needs small moments of attention.
What do you mean by attention here?
A text message, a phone call, remembering a birthday.
Small things, not big gestures.
Right. Real friendship is built from small, regular moments, not grand events.
Like a garden, you water it a little every day.
Yes, that's a perfect metaphor. You don't water it once and walk away.
I tried that with actual plants. It did not end well.
Your plants and your friendships need the same care.
So what can we do to stop friendships from drifting apart?
Be intentional. That's the key word. Intentional means you do something on purpose with a goal.
So don't wait for the other person to reach out first.
Exactly. Don't keep score. Don't think, I called last time, so it's their turn. Just pick up the phone.
I think technology makes this both easier and harder at the same time.
How do you mean?
It's easier because we can message anyone instantly, but it's harder because we also feel like we're already connected just by seeing someone's posts online.
That's a really important point.
Watching someone's social media is not the same as having a real conversation.
You can know what someone had for lunch and still have no idea how they really feel.
Beautifully said. Real connection requires actual exchange, questions and answers, listening and being heard.
Okay, so we have acquaintance, close friend, childhood friend, work friend. What are the qualities of a good friend?
There's also best friend, the one person who knows you completely.
Your best friend knows your flaws and likes you anyway.
Beautiful, yes, exactly.
I said flaws. What does that mean?
Flaws means imperfections, small things that aren't perfect about you.
Right. My flaw is forgetting names, clearly.
And mine is working too much. My best friend tells me that regularly.
So a best friend is honest with you.
They are. Honest but kind. That's the balance.
Have you ever received difficult feedback from a close friend?
Yes, a friend once told me I was too serious all the time.
That's brave of her, and brave of you to hear it.
It stung, but she was right. I started laughing more after that.
I had something similar. A friend told me I talk too much in groups.
That's real feedback. Not easy to give, not easy to receive.
It hurt at first, but he was right. I'm still working on it.
That's growth. Real friendship creates space for growth.
Like a greenhouse, friends help you grow inside.
Exactly. The right friend sees your potential even when you can't.
I think loyalty is also a big quality. A loyal friend doesn't talk badly about you to others.
Yes, loyal means you stay true to someone. You support them even when it is difficult.
And empathy. A good friend tries to understand how you feel.
Empathy is so important. It means you can put yourself in someone else's situation. You say, I understand why you feel that way.
Not just, oh well, cheer up.
Exactly. A dismissive response doesn't help. Empathy does.
Okay, how do we actually talk about friendship in English? What phrases do we use?
Great question. One common phrase is, we go way back.
We go way back? What does that mean?
It means you've known someone for a very long time.
Oh, like Marcus and I go way back. We're childhood friends.
Perfect. You used it naturally. Well done.
Another phrase?
She's always there for me. It means someone supports you reliably.
Always there, present when you need them.
Yes, not just physically, emotionally too.
Like during hard times?
Especially then. A good friend doesn't disappear when life gets difficult.
That's a real test of friendship, isn't it?
It is. Anyone can be fun during happy times. Hard times show the truth.
My friend stayed with me when I was struggling with work last year.
That says everything about him.
It does. I feel very lucky.
Here's another phrase. We picked up right where we left off.
Oh, I love that one. It means the friendship continued naturally after a break.
Exactly, like pressing play after pausing a film. No awkwardness, no long explanation needed.
That happened with Marcus, actually. After 2 years, we just talked, like normal.
That's a sign of a real friendship. It doesn't need constant maintenance to survive a gap.
What about when you want to say someone is very important to you?
You can say, she means the world to me. It's a strong, warm expression.
She means the world to me. That's beautiful.
Or, I don't know what I'd do without him. That shows dependence in a positive way.
These phrases feel so natural, not formal at all.
That's the goal. English for real life, not just for exams.
Making new friends as an adult is different, though. Have you noticed that?
Yes, it's much harder. Why is that?
As children, we share space naturally. School, sports, the playground.
We don't think about it. We just play.
As adults, we have to make effort. We have to choose to connect.
It feels awkward sometimes. Like, how do you even start?
Small shared experiences help. A class, a team, a regular coffee spot.
So putting yourself in the same place regularly?
Yes, repetition builds familiarity, and familiarity builds comfort.
Familiarity. I like that word. It means something feels known and safe.
Exactly. When something is familiar, it feels comfortable, not strange.
So you keep showing up, and slowly you become familiar to each other.
And one day, that person is no longer a stranger. They're a friend.
That's beautiful. It happens quietly.
The best things usually do.
Do you have any tips for people who find it hard to make friends as an adult?
Yes. First, be curious about other people. Ask questions. Listen to the answers.
Don't just wait for your turn to speak.
Right. People feel valued when they are truly listened to. Second, be consistent. Show up to the same group, class, or event more than once.
Because one encounter is rarely enough.
Exactly. And third, be a little vulnerable. Share something real about yourself. Not everything, but something genuine.
Vulnerability builds trust.
It does. When you share honestly, you give the other person permission to do the same.
And suddenly, you're not strangers anymore. Okay, let's slow down and practice together now.
Yes. Let's try one sentence about friendship. Ready?
Ready.
The sentence is, she has been my best friend for 10 years.
Okay, let me try. She is my best friend since 10 years.
Small correction. We say has been, not is.
Why?
We use the present perfect because it started in the past and continues now.
Present perfect. Has been.
Yes, and we say for 10 years, not since 10 years.
For with a number, since with a point in time.
Perfect. You've got it.
Let me try again. She has been my best friend for 10 years.
Much better. Natural and correct.
What about a point in time? How would I use since?
You'd say, she has been my best friend since university, or we have been friends since 2012.
I see. Since gives the starting point, for gives the length of time.
Exactly right. Now let's try another common structure. How would you ask someone about a friendship?
How long have you known her?
Perfect. And the answer would be, I have known her for about 5 years.
Not, I know her for 5 years.
Correct. That's a very common mistake. With for and duration, we almost always need the present perfect. Have known, not know.
Listener, now it's your turn. Think of your best friend.
How long have you known them?
Try saying this out loud right now.
My friend, blank, has been my best friend for blank years.
Or write it in the comments below. We really do read them.
We'd love to know who your best friend is.
All right, word tour time. 5 words from today. Let's do it.
First word, acquaintance.
Acquaintance. That's a tricky one. What does it mean again?
Someone you know, but not closely. Not a stranger, not a close friend.
Like a friendly neighbor you wave to?
Exactly. He's not a close friend, he's an acquaintance.
Got it. Next.
Drift apart.
Drift apart. Like the boat on calm water?
Yes, to slowly lose contact with someone. No fight, just distance.
We used to be close, but we drifted apart after university.
That's a very natural sentence. Well done.
Third word?
Flaws.
Flaws. Imperfections, right?
Right. The small parts of you that aren't perfect.
A real friend accepts your flaws.
Beautiful. Exactly right.
Fourth word?
Reliable.
Reliable. It means you can trust them.
Yes, someone reliable does what they say. They keep their promises.
My childhood friend is the most reliable person I know.
Very good, Leo. Natural and clear.
Last word.
Supportive.
Supportive. Someone who helps you?
Yes, they give encouragement. They help you during hard times.
My best friend was very supportive when I changed my career.
Excellent! You're a natural.
Ha! I just listen to our show every week.
Leo, one honest feeling before we go. What did today give you?
Honestly, I want to call Marcus right now, like the second we finish.
Then do it. That feeling is the whole point of today.
Friendship is simple, but we forget to do the simple things.
The most important friendships need the smallest moments. A text, a call.
Even just remembering someone's wife's name.
Especially that. And listeners, I want to leave you with a challenge this week.
Oh, I like this. What's the challenge?
Think of one person, a friend, an old classmate, a family member, someone you haven't spoken to in a while.
And reach out. Just say hello.
It doesn't need to be a long call. It can be one sentence. Hey, I was thinking about you.
That message takes 10 seconds to send, but it can mean everything to the person who receives it.
Friendship is a choice. Make it today.
Listeners, thank you for spending this time with us today.
You make this feel like a real conversation, not just a lesson.
If today was helpful, please subscribe. It helps us reach more learners like you.
And share this episode with a friend. It's a good excuse to reconnect.
See you next time, friends. Take care of each other.
And take care of your plants. Goodbye for now.